What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Gold Garage, cruising in the 2008 Honda Odyssey Touring. Yes, I ended up picking up this car Friday at auction for a really good deal. Sub $3,000 money. I mean, really good deal. Now, it has a pile of miles. 219. But this is a one-owner van with 66 service records on the Carfax. Unbelievable. One owner, no accidents, but almost all the service history was done at the Honda dealership. And at about 205,000 miles, it had a really extensive service. Hey, buddy, I got my buddy Kirby with me. I've been babysitting him. No, you can't get in my lap. No, you can't get in my lap. No. I got to take him home to his mother. I've been babysitting him. She's been on a girls' trip, so I said I would babysit. And I'm trying to get this van to Chattanooga because I have a new ride waiting for me up there while the Saab sits under cover in the garage because I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it yet. The turbo is blown. I had a mobile Saab mechanic that's real popular in Atlanta come check it out. He showed it to me. The impeller is completely destroyed. It is just, I mean, how it's like none of the previous owners changed the oil in the car. Unbelievable. But yeah, the turbo is shot. Timing chain shot. Tensioner's broken. Timing chain, it's just about to let go. So we're going to require thousands of dollars in work. I don't know if I want to spend that much more money on it because I already have, over $10,000 in the car. So I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with it. But anyway, I've got to get this van to Chattanooga to get it ready for resale and pick up my car that my brother bought at the Chattanooga auction Thursday for me. And you will see that car as we head back home this evening. But this van's great. The one owners, no wrecks. At 205,000 miles, they had the timing belt, water pump, transmission service, shock absorbers, rear shock absorbers, brakes. I mean, there's no telling how much that cost them. No telling. But they had it all done. And then, they traded it in at the Honda dealership. Crazy. But it's a great van. Everything works on it. It's a touring, so it has the backup camera. It has the premium stereo. It still has the XM radio activated, so that's awesome. Heated seats. DVD player, it's in really good shape. It's very clean. I mean, it's just a nice van. The power doors work, the power tailgate works. It has the cool touring wheels. It's just a really, really nice van. The only thing wrong with it is the AC. When I picked it up, it was working like 60% of the time, and then it would get hot, and then it would get cold, and then it would get hot. So I went and futzed with the Freon and noticed that the Freon was overfilled, way overfilled. So I let a lot of Freon out and got it in the normal range, and now it won't work at all. So I don't know what's going on. The compressor seems good. It runs quiet. It doesn't make any noise. So I think the compressor's still okay. I don't know what to think about it. But we got a lady up here in Chattanooga that she's got a great little shop and does great AC work. We're going to get it to her, and she'll pressure test it, check it all out, and get it in good shape for us. So luckily it's only about 72 degrees right now, so we're able to roll with just some windows cracked or down. And I'll keep this brief because we are getting a little warm. We need to put our windows down. So yeah, this is it. Pretty cool. Nice, slick van. Gonna be for sale on Marketplace soon. So if anybody's looking for a really good Honda minivan touring that, you know, has the high miles, but I'd say it drives and performs more like 119. Really, seriously. We've owned a lot of these, and this is probably the smoothest one that has ever crossed our paths. This thing is amazing. Michelin tires help, you know. But anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all with the next one. Peace. Say bye, Kirby.